It's Tuesday the 14th of August. My name's Steve Buswell and you're watching Axiory's news broadcast. We'll begin with the technical analysis. Up first is the euro dollar. As long as price holds above daily pivot, the next target remains at R1. But if price falls below daily pivot, it will retest support S1 and then could focus on S2, where further fall would be limited. Based on the conclusions for each indicator, we're expecting a bullish trend. Now let's move on to the dollar yen. Price topped just below R1 and will now soon retest support S1, former resistance. But if price rebounds from S2, correction will be complete and rise will subsequently continue. But deeper decline below daily pivot will be indicating decline and next target will be S3. The conclusion made by Axiory's chosen indicators show a bullish trend. After that we have the sterling dollar. We're expecting price will fall below daily pivot and at first will retest S1 support and subsequently it could fall towards S2 where it could form bottom. But on the upside, if price rebounds from daily pivot, it could retest resistance R1. The summary of our indicators show a bearish trend. We finish up with the dollar franc. Price fell below daily pivot will be suggesting consolidation if it holds above support S1. But further fall will be indicating that a downward move is underway and target will be at S2 support and a deeper decline isn't excluded. Also, rise above daily pivot will negate previous conclusions and in this case, target will be at R1 resistance. The vast majority of our indicators and chart analysis for the dollar franc show a bearish trend. Office for National Statistics is going to publish at 9:30 a.m. GMT figures about CPI in the UK. It's expected inflation will decline from 2.4 to 2.3%, while it will have a high impact on the sterling. Next at 10 a.m. GMT, ZEW will publish figures about German economic sentiment. Analysts are expecting high impact on the euro and a slight improvement from minus 19.6 to minus 19.4. These readings are still favouring pessimism. Eurostat is going to release numbers about industrial production in the Eurozone, also at 10 a.m. GMT, but with a medium impact on the euro. Analysts are awaiting deterioration from a previous rise of 0.6% to minus 0.5% today. At 1:30 p.m. GMT, we can expect two US news will be released with high impact on the dollar. First concerns about core retail sales, where analysts are expect improvement from a previous fall by 0.4% to today's rise 0.4%. And second news will concern about PPI, which rose in last month by 0.1% and now is expected rise to 0.3%. We have almost reached the end of our broadcast. You can now see on your screen 3 tables about the best traders and trading strategies on Axiory, giving you the opportunity to join them. Both Teo strategies are holding their positions, remaining unchanged, while third place APS GTS1 was replaced by Sphinx, which had risen 2,676.9 pips. Low Risk Invest in MultiTrader is holding at first place with 23.86%. Second, India Rose declined slightly when it fell 0.21%. But on the upside, FX Multiplier increased by 1.31% in monthly gain. If we look at the last platform, trade leaders, nothing's changed. LW Trading is remaining at 3,524%, followed by Johnny Jiang with 491% and TK Trading with 204%. And on this day in 1893, France becomes the first country to introduce motor vehicle registration. Thanks for watching Axiory's news broadcast. Have a profitable day and we'll see you tomorrow.